how you can operate your LG home theater without the remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, most LG home theater systems have built-in buttons on the front panel. You can usually find basic controls like power on/off, volume up and down, input source selection, play, pause, stop, and eject. To switch between inputs like HDMI, AUX, or USB, simply press the function or source button multiple times. Second, if your LG home theater is connected to your TV via HDMI ARC, you might be able to control it using your TV remote. Make sure HDMI CEC, also called SimpLink on LG TVs, is turned on in your TV settings. Once it's active, you can adjust volume, mute, and power on/off through your TV remote. Look for SimpLink under your TV settings menu. If you don't have the original remote, you can also use a universal remote control. Just program it to your LG home theater model. Some universal remotes already have built-in LG codes. If your home theater supports Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, check if LG smartphone apps like LG AV Remote are compatible. Some older models might not support apps though. And that's it. That's how you can operate your LG home theater without the remote.